Hello everyone, welcome to CASA Academy. CA Inter Corporate and Other Law Company Law sections are discussed in Section 1 to Section 148. Section 1 Short Title. Section 2 Definition. Section 3 Formation of Companies. Section 4 Memorandum of Association. 5 Article of Association. 6 Act to override MOA and IOA. 7 Incorporation of a company. 8 Section 8 Company. 9 Effect of registration. 10 Effect of registration of MOA and IOA. 10A Commencement of business. 11 Omitted. 12 Registered office. 30 Alteration of MOA. 40 Alteration of AOA. 50 Alteration of MOA and IOA to be noted in every copy. 60 Rectification of name of company. 70 Copy of MOA AOA to be given to members. 80 Conversion of company already registered. 90 Subsidiary company not to hold shares in its holding company. 20 Services of documents. 21 Authentication of documents. 22 Execution of bills of exchange. 23 Public offer and public placement. 24 Omitted. 25 Deemed prospectus. 26 Matters to be stated in prospectus. 27 Variation in terms of prospectus. 28 Offer of sale. 29 Public offer securities to be in demat form. 30 Omitted. 31 Shelf prospectus. 32 Red herring prospectus. 33 Omitted. 34 Misstatement in prospectus, criminal liability. 35 Misstatement in prospectus, civil liability. 36 Punishment for fraudulently inducing the person to invest money. 37 Action by affected person. 38 Omitted. 39 Allotment of shares. 40 Securities dealt with stock exchange. 41 Omitted. 42 Private placement. 43 Types of share capital. 44 Omitted. 45 Omitted. 46 Certificate of shares. 47 Voting rights. 48 Variation of shareholders' right. 49 Calls on same class should be made uniform basis. Section 50 Committee to accept unpaid share capital although not called up. Section 51 Payment of dividend in proportion to the unpaid up share capital. 52 Security premium. 53 Prohibition of issue of share at discount. 54 Security shares. 55 Issue and redemption of preference shares. 56 Transfer and transmission of securities. 57 Punishment for personalization of shareholders. 58 Refusal of registration and appeal against refusal. 59 Rectification of register of members. 60 Omitted. 61 Power of limited company to alter its share capital. 62 Further issue of share capital. 63 Issue of bonus shares. 64 Notice of alteration of share capital to be given to registrar. 65 Omitted. 66 Reduction of share capital. 67 Restriction of purchase by company or given loan to purpose of purchase of shares. 68 Payback of shares. 69 Transfer of certain sum of money to capital redemption ratio. 70 Prohibition of payback in certain circumstances. 71 Debentures. 72 Power to nominate. 73 Prohibition on acceptance of deposit from public. 74 Repayment of deposit accepted before commencement of this act. 75 Omitted. 76 Acceptance of deposit from public by eligible companies. 76A Punishment for contravention section 73 or section 76. Section 77 Duty to register charge. 78 Application for registration of charge. 79 Section 77 to apply in certain cases. 80 Notice of charge. 81 Omitted. 82 Company to report satisfaction of charge. 83 Power to register to make entries of satisfaction and realize in absence of intimation. 84 Intimation of appointment of receiver or manager. 85 Omitted. 86 Punishment for contravention. 87 Rectification by central government in register of charges. Register of members. 88 89 Declaration in respect of beneficial interest in any shares. 90 Register of significant beneficial owner in a company. 91 Power to close register of members or debenture holders or other security holders. 92. Annual return. 93. Omitted. 94. Place of keeping. 95. Register evidence. 96. Annual general meeting. 97. Power to tribunal to call AGM. 98. Power to tribunal to call meeting of members. 99. Punishment for contravention. 100. Extraordinary general meeting. 101. Notice of meeting. 102. Explanatory statement to be annexed to notice. 103. Quorum for meeting. 104. Chairman of meeting. 105. Proxies. 106. Restriction of voting rights. 107. Voting by show of hands. 108. Voting through electronic means. 109. Demand for poll. 110. Postal ballot. 111. Circulation of members resolution. 112. Representation of president or governor in meeting of company to which they are members. 113. Representation of corporation at meeting of companies and creditors. 114. Ordinary and special resolution. 115. Resolution requiring special notice. 116. Resolution passed at adjourned meeting. 117. Resolution and agreement to be filed. 118. Minutes of meeting. 119. Inspection of minute books of general meeting. 120. Maintenance and inspection of documents in electronic form. 121. Report on annual general meeting. 122. Applicability of this chapter to one person company. 123. Declaration of dividend. 124. Unpaid dividend account. 125. Investor education protection fund. 126. Right to dividend, right to shares and bonus shares to held in absence pending. 127. Punishment for failure to distribute dividend. 128. Books of accounts. 129. Financial statement. 130. Reopening of accounts on courts or tribunal order. 131. Voluntary revisions of financial. 132. Constitution for National Financial Reporting Authority. 133. Central government to prescribe accounting standards. 135. CSR, corporate social responsibility. 136. Right to members to copy audited financial statement. 137. Copy of financial statements to be filed with registrar. 138. Internal audit. 139. Appointment of auditors. 140. Removal, resignation of auditor and giving of special notice. Eligibility, qualification and disqualification of auditor. 141. 142. Remuneration of auditor. 143. Power and duties of auditor and auditing standards. 144. Auditor not to render certain services. 145. Auditor to sign audit report. 146. Auditor to attend general meeting. 147. Punishment for contravention. Central government. 148 is central government to specify audit of items of cost in respect of certain companies, that is cost audit. So thank you for watching.